In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up payment gateways in Zoho Books. To get started, first open your Zoho Books account and make sure you're on the main dashboard. This is where you'll be able to access the settings needed to connect your payment options. Setting up a payment gateway is an important step because it allows your customers to pay invoices online more easily, which can help speed up payments and make the overall billing process much smoother. Once you're inside your Zoho Books account, look toward the top corner of the screen for the gear icon. This icon takes you into your settings area, where you can manage different parts of your account. Go ahead and click the gear icon to continue. After that, find and click on Payment Gateways. This section is specifically designed for connecting payment providers to your Zoho Books account. If you've never visited this area before, this is where you'll see the available gateway options you can set up for receiving customer payments. This is the place where you can configure your payment settings. Take a moment to look through the gateways available to you. Zoho Books may show different options depending on your region or account type, so it's a good idea to choose the one that best matches your business needs and the payment methods you want to offer your customers. When you've decided which payment gateway you want to use, simply select it and click Set Up. From there, you'll be asked to enter the necessary details required to connect that payment provider to your account. The exact information requested can vary depending on the gateway, so make sure you read each field carefully and enter everything accurately. As you move through the setup, just follow the prompts shown on your screen. In most cases, the process is straightforward, and Zoho Books will guide you step by step until the connection is complete. If a payment provider requires additional verification or account authorization, continue through those prompts as instructed to finish the setup properly. Once everything has been entered and confirmed, your payment gateway should be ready to use inside Zoho Books. That means you'll be able to offer online payment options to customers directly through your invoices, making it easier for them to pay you quickly and conveniently. And that's it. That's how to set up payment gateways in Zoho Books. Take your time during setup. Double-check the information you enter and follow the on-screen instructions closely to make sure everything is connected correctly.